Hello to Warzone mobile players. According to the poll inside the channel, in this video I will explain the sniper guide inside Warzone mobile in battle royale mode. First, I will explain the mechanism of snipers in Warzone mobile and teach you tricks that no one tell you about. Next, we will talk about the best sniper shots and their attachments, and in the third part, we will cover the best sniper support weapons in the game. Finally, I will introduce the best perks and class setup for sniping. Let me explain to you how sniper rifles work very simply. When you shoot with your sniper rifle, the bullet does not travel in a straight line due to the Earth's gravity. After covering a distance, it tends to move toward to the ground, which we call bullet drop. Your elevation drop depends on three factors. First, the distance to your target. Second, the weapon's power, and third, the weight of the bullet and its velocity, which varies in different sniper rifles. So to hit a target, you need to aim slightly above the enemy at around 80 meters for instance, and a bit higher than the target at 150 meters. As you increase the distance to your target, increase the distance between the center of your scope and your target so that you can target your enemy accurately. But for static targets and for moving targets like a pro player, you should consider two other factors as well. The time it takes for the bullet to reach the target and the location of the target at the time the bullet reaches it. Both location at the specific time must be the same, and this point comes with experience and practice. The best time to shoot a target is when it is either getting closer to you in a straight line or moving away from you. If your enemy starts to move immediately after missing the first shot, you should wait for it to establish a fixed pattern of movement so that you can anticipate its next position and shoot at the right time. Let's find the best snipers for you now. Unlike the original Warzone, in Warzone Mobile there are 4 snipers that headshot and next shot is one shot kill, and by hitting the enemy's chest plate with 2 shots they will be knocked out. KTMR, MCPR, XRK and FJX. Despite MCPR being idle for Battle Royale and its new update, I do not recommend XRK at all. KTMR, due to its significant bullet drop, is not suitable for newcomers at long distance. Currently, the best sniper in the game with a long range, low bullet drop and high bullet velocity is MCPR. I'll put the best attachments for you from this 4 snipers gun. But one thing, ammunition explosive attachment. Also, it increases the damage of your sniper rifle significantly. It decreases the accuracy of your weapon and increases the bullet drop. My suggestion is to use the high velocity attachment. But the next important part is the choice of the second weapon, which is the sniper support. It should be a gun that can support both mid-range and close range with a slightly lower recoil and high damage despite its high fire rate. It should also have a high shot accuracy. I will provide you with 4 of the best sniper support weapon in the game. The next part is the perk selection. If you are a rusher like me, definitely choose the Warden perk package. However, there are 2 other packages suitable for snipers like Scott due to the presence of the Ghost perk, which does not reveal you on UAV, and the next very important perk is High Alert, which is included in the Dead perk package and helps you be aware if someone spots you from behind or somewhere not in your sight, which is very good. And for now, since there is no customization option for perks, you have to choose one of them. For the tactical part, I recommend a smoke so that you can escape or change your position in times of need. And for the lethal part, I suggest the claymore and proximity mine so that you can protect your back as much as possible when you are busy sniping.
Gas is closing in.